Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Green Paper tabled in Parliament a national policy for culture, entertainment and the creative economy. Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange tabled the Green Paper on Tuesday during the first sitting of Parliament. The policy positions the creative sector as a key driver of national growth, proposing new institutions, legislation and initiatives to strengthen training, funding, protection and global competitiveness for Jamaican creatives.
The Green Paper we present today, Mr. Speaker, reflects a bold and visionary design shaped by ongoing consultative processes with our cultural experts and entertainment, culture and creative industry practitioners.
To complement this, Minister Grange stated that the Jamaica Entertainment and Cultural Development Foundation will provide a dedicated and sustainable funding mechanism. Opposition Speaker on the Creative Industries, Nikisha Burchell, stated that the opposition will throw all its support behind the initiative. However, opposition spokesman on education Damon Crawford had a mouthful of questions for Minister Grange.
The first starts with the entertainment registry. There has been an unfortunately low take-up relative to the number of persons who are practitioners. Right, so please, and also what are the plans to take the registry to the people? The plans to promote the entertainment tools of trade. Quite a few practitioners are still unaware that they can benefit from tax reliefs from importation of tools of trade, extended from only the movies and now into all aspects of entertainment. We have not heard of community entertainment zones as versus just large space singular entertainment zones. Are there plans to have community zones so that the small activities can benefit? Another question is the systems of protection. We have seen many of our dances, for example, on stages of individuals no less than Beyonce. Dirty Wine was at the NFL Super Bowl, and the inventor of Dirty Wine was not acknowledged, worse yet benefited financially from the what some would call piracy of our free-to-use cultural appropriation. Last one, sports as entertainment. In this list, I didn't see sporting activities registered as entertainment activities, and there is indeed sport and the opportunities for sport to create entertainment and generate income.
Now, on the international scene, Dolly Parton breaks silence following health concerns.
I wanted you to know that I'm not dying.
A post made to the Jolene singer's Instagram page, accompanied by the caption, "I ain't dead yet," laying speculation surrounding her health to rest. Dolly's manager also stepped in and told reporters that his client has been treated for kidney stones. Now, earlier this week, Dolly's sister Frida Parton wrote on social media that her sister hasn't been feeling her best lately and asked fans to pray for her. The post, which drew lots of concerns surrounding the singer's health, later saw Frida clarifying her statement, saying she didn't intend to scare fans or make it seem so serious. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.